So there is a Twitter twin going around, RIPDRAKE. People are freaking out. They're losing their minds. The rapper Boosie was literally just shot in the leg. And, Mo3 was killed. You had King Von pass away. So rappers are getting shot. They're dropping like flies out there right now. I thought this one was really funny.
See it? Man, I know you lying, man. Let me see it. Man, I know you lying, man.
Anyway.
Let me see it.
So anyway, look, RIPDRAKE is out there. People are furiously checking Twitter, checking Facebook. Did Drake die? Don't tell me the light-skinned hero died, man. Please. No, but for real though, nah. People are just messing with y'all. Drake did not die. The RIPDRAKE is just to mess with you guys. Like, 2020, y'all. Drake go too soon. Anyway, man, this is some funny stuff. Why y'all bringing bad things to yourself, especially see how 2020 is? Why are y'all doing this? So anyway, man, Drake did not pass away. He did not die. This is just a joke. People are just having some fun with the fact that rappers are, I don't know if you're having fun with it, but listen, if you don't laugh, you're going to end up crying because there's so much tragedy happening in 2020. From COVID, King Von, Mo3, all these rappers are getting shot. So anyway, Drake is not dead, but if you want to laugh your ass off, type in RIPDRAKE on Twitter because people are losing their mind right now. Drake's family releases info saying Drake passed away. That's not true. That is not true. Drake is not dead. So people just trying to pull y'all legs, man. But don't worry, Drake is not dead.